In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your ChatGPT to Alexa. First things first, you want to head over to the Alexa application, and from here, you want to click on the More button. It's going to be the three lines on the application itself. In my case, it's going to be beside the light bulb icon right here. And simply inside this page, click on Skills and Games. You simply want to search for My GPT and click on Search. You want to select the Alexa Ask My GPT how tall the Eiffel Tower is or something like this. You want to click on this specific application right here. Click on Enable to Use. And basically with that, it's as simple as saying, Alexa, open My GPT. And from there, it will then open up Alexa right here. So let me just go ahead and set it up for the first time. And then you can now start asking Alexa or using ChatGPT on Alexa right here. Alexa, open my GPT. So here it is. Let's go ahead and say something like, how tall is the Eiffel Tower? Wait for it to load in, and basically it will then reply it with the correct answer. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.